Yo, check it out, guys. This client just brought these in, fresh out of Japan. These are the new Volk Racing 21As. It's an 18.9.5 setup with a really aggressive offset. He went with the Continental GW S06 Plus 265/40/18 tires. Now, because of the fitment on this thing, and this is not a performance Model 3, it's a long range with silver calipers, it's going to be pretty aggressive fitment. So he did need to get Mountain Pass Performance adjustable rear camber arms. And for the ride height that he wanted and to meet his budget, he went with the Tank Flex Z's. Then up front, we had to get him the beautiful Mountain Pass Performance front adjustable upper control arms. He's got the Mountain Pass lower control arm bearings. He got the white line compliance bushing. And again, Tank Flex Z's. We're going to get these beautiful wheels on the car with his Kicks R40 lug nuts. So let's get this thing on the car. Let's get it aligned and show you guys what it looks like. Let's go. And there you go, it's all done. Overnight parts from Japan. He's got his Volks 21As, he's got his Tank Flex Z coilovers, Mountain Pass front adjustable upper control arms, and Mountain Pass rear adjustable control arms, camber arms. And it's all dialed, all aligned, nice and flush. 265/40/18s, and a reasonable camber value. He's around 1.6 degrees front and back on a long range, but you can see how it looks. You guys need any of these suspension products, check out the links in the description. We'd be happy to set you up. Thanks for watching.